I'd like to share with you how to make a timber succulent box garden. Very simple to make, except it takes a bit of time. This one is rather large. Here's a bit of scale, so it's about the width of my hand. And this one over here is a longer version. It's probably 1 metre long. These are full sun succulents. And I'm just doing another one over here, so I thought I'd show you how it looks inside. Relatively simple. So the corners are joined with long screws, probably about 75mm long. Hardwood, so you need some pretty hefty drill gear. In the corner here, what I tend to do is have sort of 2 pieces of fly screen. So one folds up on this corner. And the reason I have 2 layers is really just to stop sand particles falling through. So once you peel back 2 layers of fly screen, I've then got another layer of mesh which I've tied on with plastic ties, but under that I can just flip it forward to show you what's underneath. So it's a metal mesh and then a batten, timber batten, and I use maple, which apparently is reasonably good with waterproof and rotting and that sort of thing. And this mesh has been galvanized and painted as well, so it stops it eroding over a few years. So something like this should last a good 5 to 10 years, who knows. Yeah.